Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. NVIDIA is one of the world's most popular technology stocks, known for its AI chips, gaming GPUs, data center hardware, and artificial intelligence infrastructure. So the good news is SoFi Invest makes it easy to buy NVIDIA stocks in just a few minutes. So this is a complete step-by-step process for buying NVIDIA stock on SoFi Invest in 2026. Okay, so first thing you have to do is open a SoFi Invest account. So before buying NVIDIA stock, you will need a SoFi Invest account. So download the SoFi app or visit the website, create an account, and complete identity verification and open an active investing account. Okay, so after that, let's say that we signed up into the app or the website. Okay, now you have to add money to your account, or let's say you have to fund. Okay, so before investing, you will need available funds in your account. So now open the SoFi app, go to invest, okay, and select add money, link your bank account, transfer funds. Okay, so as you can see here, transfer instantly, and after that, cash will be available and buying power will be ready. Okay, so navigate to banking or transfer money. Link your bank account if necessary and deposit the amount you want to invest, and wait until your fund become available for trading. So now search for NVDA, tap the search icon, type NVDA, and select NVIDIA Corporation, and NVIDIA stock page will be opened and current stock information displayed. Okay, so after that, open the NVIDIA stock page and tap buy, and that's it. So thank you guys for watching this video, and see you in the next tutorial.